Where's the church at?
At Front and Windsor in Reading.
Is that the one I went to when I was younger?
No. Well, a couple times you went.
That was a while ago.
Oh, yeah. That was maybe
12,
15
16,
years ago.
maybe 16. What does confrontational mean?
Confrontational.
Yeah,
That means aggravate.
like accusing of lying.
No. You're aggravating other people. You're confrontational. You're not nice to other people. You argue.
When I went to the baseball game, I caught a foul. I got a baseball. The player tossed it to me. I gave one to Ann. I gave one to a little kid. Then a kid butted in front of that kid, and he got the ball. And I gave a T-shirt to Ann Bennett, the staff. And there's a ball for Danny, my roommate at the house, in the kitchen.
Okay. That's very nice.
One of the Sea Dogs players got confrontational with me. I said,
Ooh.
one of the Sea Dog players got confrontational with me. I said,
What was that?
just last Thursday when my mom and dad were out of town. I said, high five, do you have any broken bats? He told me to shut up. Because I think he's angry because he lost the game. So I don't think it's really my problem that he told me that.
Was that a day game?
Yes, it was, in the afternoon.
Or was that after the game?
It was after the game.
Yeah, they don't take a liking to comments like that after they lose a game.
So they mistreat the fans when it's not their fault.
No. If he had no sense of humor in saying that, I meant he didn't know what you were talking about as far as broken bats. He might have considered that a slight offensive term.
Everybody can see things different ways.
That's right.
There have been some incidents when you and I went to the game. Like back when I was at the old house, the player got angry and flipped the truck and toys went flying everywhere. He can't do that. He's gonna have to pay for them if he breaks them. So far I have 7 minutes and 29 seconds. woman over there in the Mickey Mouse sweater.
Yep.
She's heavier than me.
I didn't notice. I didn't look that close.
Oh my god, there's someone sitting on the roof up there, holding a rain spout in his hands.
When you're driving, you can't look all around. When you're a passenger, you
Trip
can
to
look around.
Tannhäuser, music of Richard Wagner. Warren Moselle conducted the Philharmonia Orchestra. We'll hear from the Chip Off the Old Block Festival. Support for WRTI comes from Folkway. For 50 years, Folkways has been providing innovative services, a creative culture, and exceptional surroundings for older adults. And for 50 years, they've enjoyed the friendship and support of businesses and community leaders within the tri-state area and beyond. So, as Folkways celebrates this milestone, they especially celebrate those who made it possible. To experience life at Folkways and to arrange for a personal tour, 215-283-7010. That's 215-283-7010. Well, it's coming. WRTI Member Day at the Michener Art Museum. Sunday afternoon, June 11th, WRTI members and their guests will enjoy free admission and docent tours of the Michener Art Museum. Members must sign up by visiting our website at WRTI.org. Members can also gain discounted admission that afternoon to a gospel concert featuring the Tiller Sisters and the Backbench Boys just by using the discount code WRTI when purchasing your tickets. If you're not a WRTI member yet, there's still time to join, and we hope to see you there. 17 minutes after 3 o'clock, we just heard music of Richard Wagner. Now here's something from his son, Siegfried, who was born on this date in Switzerland in 1869. This is the Eclogue after Franz Liszt, and it's performed by Werner Andreas Albert and the Rheinland-Pfalz State Philharmonic.
There's a sign that says no trespassing.
Yep.